Hi everyone, this is Zalisha and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Zalisha and I like tarot readings and some other stuff. And today on my channel we are going to look at BTS Jimin's tarot reading. The reading is going to go over his general energy, his music, his physical health and mental health along with his opportunities. We are also going to ask the oracle decks for some additional messages. Now, if you guys like K-pop related tarot readings or just tarot readings in general, please hit that subscribe button. And if you guys like the content that I'm uploading, please make sure to smash the like button. And if you guys want me to do any other groups or any other member, or you guys have some suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments down below. So without further ado, let me get you some disclaimers because disclaimers are very important. Now, this reading is meant for entertainment purpose only and must be watched as a source for entertainment only. And these are just my assumption, as you all know, because tarot reading is based on energies and energies are changing every day. So what might come today might be different from what will come tomorrow. And these are just my assumptions based on the energies that I'm picking up today. And I do not know him personally, nor do I have any kind of association with him. And if I somehow offend you guys or hurt something hurtful, please let me know in the comments down below. So without further ado, let's get right into the reading. Now, I forgot to mention that this reading is going to be based on the upcoming 6 months to 1 year. Anyways, as you all know that I like to meditate on the person that I'm reading on, and I meditated on him, and the first thing that came into my mind was those kind of lakes that you see on these European countries that have like very bluish water, like almost turquoise water, and they're very gentle and very calm and serene. Well, that was the kind of thing that came into my mind first when I started meditating on him. He had this very gentle, very calming energy, but it was really cheerful. It was also very cheerful. And I would also like to mention that these days I don't think it's been in his habit, but these days he's having a lot of distractions around him, but he's trying his best to stay focused, he's trying his best to stay on his track as much as he can. And he also likes to smile a lot. I really saw that image of him smiling and having fun. He likes to smile a lot. I saw that. And there were some hand movements. I'm not sure which hand movements, but they were like very rapid hand movements. So I guess that could be because of some new dance moves that we do not know of yet. I mean, it could be that, but I think that there were some hand movements, and he really likes to perfect his skill a lot. I won't say he is a perfectionist like RM, but he really likes to perfect his skills. That's why he practices everything a lot. Like, I saw this image of him practicing even after all the members have left. So I saw that, and I think he really likes to perfect his skills. And he's very conscious about his looks and how he presents himself to the outside world. And I think that is that is very cool of him, because we tend to, like, I also do that a lot. When I go out, I tend to see how I look and how I act, and I think he does that a lot too. And I'm not sure, but this came also that he has a weird habit of losing focus, or has this tendency to procrastinate. But maybe it could be a recent development. I'm not sure about that, but that came out a lot, because while I was meditating on him, I kept losing focus. And I think this one is also recent development, but maybe because he's busy, but he tends to delay things a little bit. Like if he has to do something today, he maybe it's because he has a lot on his schedule or something, but he tends to delay stuff a little bit. And yeah, he's been feeling, I think he's been feeling a little bit tired lately, because I caught this sleepy energy on him. I mean, I'm not saying that he's lazy or something. I'm just saying that he has a lot on his schedule that we do not know about, because that's only natural, we do not know everything about him. But I think he's been feeling a bit tired lately. And I think this is also a recent development, but he has become a little bit clumsy lately. And yeah, but he's happy about something, you know. I really got this vibe that he is happy and really excited about something. And while I was, you know, reading his energy, at first it was very serious, you know, very timid, very serious, but after some time it started to go into this very happy and excited phase, and it really cheered me up a lot. And he's even though he is very conscious of what others think about him, he's also very confident about himself, you know. And that is the kind of energy I thrive for personally. But yeah, he's very confident about himself. And he, you know, this one was pretty weird, but while I was, you know, reading his cards and doing his cards, I never have internal monologue, because it's very hard to, you know, shuffle when you have a running movie inside you. But he has a very broad sense of internal monologue. Like he keeps talking to himself on his head, and it was there. And he's very detail oriented. I think he's very detail oriented. So this was what I got for him in the meditation parts. Now we'll get to the cards. And these are the cards that I have shuffled, as you can see here. I have already pre-shuffled the decks, because there's 5 here and I don't have a lot of space. By the way, did you guys see I changed the decor a little bit? I got this off Amazon. These were pretty cheap. So yeah, this looks very pretty, don't you think? Please guys, let's get to our cards. First we have his overall energy, which is the World card in reverse. Now when this card comes, a lot of people might feel like this is a negative card or something like that, but I do not think it's a negative card. No card in the tarot is exactly negative. They all have a very, you know, useful, how do I say this, they all have a very meaningful purpose. And I think this card came because lately he's been putting a lot of effort into something, you know. He's solely focused on something, and he's been putting a lot of energy into something, that is, you know. And since he's putting a lot of energy into something, like he's solely focused into this one thing, you know, staring into this one thing and working hard on this one particular thing, he's feeling a little bit burdened by it. Now don't get me wrong please, but yeah, he's feeling a little bit burdened because of it. And he's, you know, it's making him feel a little bit stagnant, but he's going to, you know, accept what he feels, and he's going to move forward with it. He's not going to, you know, think like, oh god, I'm stuck here, what I'm going to do. He's not going to feel like that. He's going to, you know, work on this issue. He's going to work through this issue, and he's going to move forward. You know, he's going to accept what it is, and he's not going to stop himself, you know, from moving forward. That's the thing that's mostly came. Now we'll get to the general cards. First we have the Page of Swords, then we have Judgment in reverse, and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Now when the Page of Swords come, it basically talks about his personality a lot, and I think he's mentally quite agile, and he's very quick-witted, you know. He's very quick-witted, he's mentally very agile, and he's extremely curious and inquisitive about everything, you know. Being curious and being inquisitive is in his nature. And I think he's a Libra, so Libras are always like that, and he, you know, he has this very Libra energy, and that's why he is very inquisitive, he's very curious, and sometimes, you know, he's very chatty, he's very communicative, but he's also very truthful, he's also very direct, and he doesn't like any unfair or injustice. And he's very young at heart. I mean, he's very young at heart, he's very lively and young at heart. and he has this very quick thinking, logical nature, which and he's also very sharp minded. And as I said, he doesn't really like injustice, he hates injustice. And but even after all this, he's a very deep thinker. And he since he's a Libra, so Libras tend to be very blunt, and I think he has that tendency to say what he feels in a direct manner. And I think that is a cool thing, not hiding what you want to say. I think that's a very cool thing. But he tends to be a loner sometimes too. But in the recent phases, he's I think he's extremely inspired, and he is planning something. And yeah, he's very inspired, and he's on the stages of planning something. And but I think he still has, now don't get me wrong please, but I think he's still facing some self-doubt and some worries. And he tends to be very hard on himself, because as I said, he really likes to perfect his skills. So he's very hard on himself sometimes. And but the good thing about him is that he tries his best to learn from his mistake. And recently he's been going over his past and learning the things that he did, learning about the things that he did wrong, and he's trying to correct himself to become a much more better person. And he's looking very deep within himself to know his shortcomings and how to overcome them. And he's not really listening to what others have to say about him. As I said, he's feeling very confident about himself, so he's not really listening to what others have to say about him, but he is looking deep within himself and trying to rectify any sort of shortcomings. And even though he's even though he's scared, even though he's scared, he tends to worry a lot. He's trying to do that, and I think that is some commendable work he's doing, because shadow work is always difficult, but he's doing a lot of shadow work in himself. And I think that is going to lead him to a transformation, which is always amazing, which is always great. Changes are always difficult, but if somebody is going through themselves to change themselves for better, I think that is a commendable task. And I think we should all learn from that. Move these cards, and we're going to look for the cards that we have for his music. Music, I think music is going to be very exciting. Did you guys check out the small teaser that came out? I think it came out on Monday, I think. Monday. It came out on Monday. Or maybe was it Sunday? I don't remember. But I'm really excited for butter. I saw a friend of mine in WhatsApp saying that they're going to cook everything in butter now. I hope you don't get cholesterol, sweetheart. Anyways, so as I said, the music, I think music is going to be very exciting, his music, and he's going to get a lot of exciting news and lot of exciting offers. And he's going to follow his heart and his passion about his music, and he's going to do whatever he feels like with his music. And I think he's going to become very comfortable with what he wants to showcase us in his music. I think, as I said, I think I've mentioned this a lot earlier, but I think members of BTS, they are going to be very true about themselves when it comes to music. They are going to showcase the music that represents their inner selves a lot, and I think Jimin is going to also do that. And I also have a feeling that his songs are going to be quite romantic yet graceful songs, and I think his songs are also going to be quite emotional, gentle, warm, loving, peaceful songs. When I say this, the first song that comes into my mind is Runaway by Aurora. I've been listening to that song on repeat for the past few days, and that song has a very gentle, calming effect, right? So I think his songs are going to be like that. and he's going to have a lot of songs about overcoming tough times, inspiring songs. I think songs that inspires us, how do I say this, like Spring Day is very very inspiring song. I really love that song. I think we are going to have a lot more songs like Spring Day. And yeah, he's going to have a lot of inspiring positive songs. There's this particular line that I got while shuffling his card, is that even if it was hopeless, you still held on, and now you see the light at the end of the tunnel. I'm not sure why this came through, but this is such a positive lyrics. It just shows that even though that there are hard times ahead, if we still hold on, we'll see the end of the tunnel no matter what. And I think that is such a wonderful thought to have. Wow. And as I said, these lyrics came out, and I think there are going to be songs about letting go of your insecurities, letting go of people that have hurt you in the past, forgetting about no, not forgetting, forgiving about forgiving your mistakes, forgiving someone who has done you wrong, songs like that, forgiving songs, for songs about letting go, forgiving songs. I think he's going to have a lot of songs like that. But I think there's also going to be songs about stability and security. Like, his songs are going to make us feel very stable and very secure. I think I mentioned this in my BTS reading also, that their songs are going to have this feeling, that will make you feel very warm and very secure. Like, when you have a hard time and you come back home and you drink this hot chocolate thing, or you're having a hard day and your mother cooks food for you, and when you have that, you feel really warm and great, right? So I think their songs are going to be around like that, very nostalgic but yet very familiar kind of feeling. So I think he's going to have a lot of songs about that. And I also have a feeling that his songs are going to be about very deep personal issues, about things that haunt us emotionally. He's going to have a lot of songs like that, songs that are extremely extremely thought invoking songs. He's going to have a lot of thought invoking songs, and I think that is really wonderful. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. To move these cards, and we are going to look at the cards for his health. First we have the Seven of Swords, the Five of Wands, and the King of Pentacles. I got this while I was shuffling for his physical health. As you all know, that when I do members individually, I try to get their physical and mental health separately, because I think that speaks about it in a very detailed manner, which I like. So first we have for his physical health. Now I think for physical health, he is going to have some of his previous injury resurface. And he is going to look for a second opinion about how to cure them. And but even after all this, he's going to recover very well from it, so we do not have to worry about it. But he might have to watch out for stress related issues, because I think since he's going through a lot of mental stress at the moment, he's going to have a lot of issues regarding stress related problems. He's going to have a lot of stress related problems, and he might have small injuries here and there. I think it could be because of dance practices or something, but he's going to have small injuries here and there, but still he's going to resolve quickly. And he'll be back to his physical health once again. So his physical health, as we can see, that even though it's going to have a little bit ups and downs, it's going to have a lot of ups and downs, that I think, but he will be physically healthy. He won't have any serious issues, I think, and that is good. I hope none of the members get sick, because the time and situation is very hard right now. So I'm going to move these cards, and we're going to look for the cards for his mental health. let me see. Okay, now for his mental health, I think he's changing the approach to how he sees his mental health. A lot of people, when it comes to mental health, they go to psychiatrist or something like that, into therapist, to talk about it. But I think maybe he will do that, or maybe he's going to look for the solutions himself, but he's going to change how he approaches mental health, and he's going to change how he keeps himself mentally stimulated, and he's going to try a lot of different methods. I think he's going to try meditation or something like that, because I think I saw that meditation, or maybe yoga, something like that. He's going to try that, and he's going to try a lot of different method, and he's also going to be very nurturing towards himself. As I said, he's been very hard on himself lately, so I think he's going to become very nurturing towards himself. And he's also he's also going to adjust his life according to his mental health, which I think is a great development. The main thing is that he's going to be very nurturing about his mental health. He's going to be very careful, he's going to be very loving to himself, and because of that he's going to improve his life altogether, and he's going to be very successful in it. He's going to his mental health is going to be really better. I think by the end of May, I know BTS is going to come back on 21st May, but I still keep hearing May. I really don't know why. I think May is a very significant month for BTS in general, because last time for RM also May came forward, and today for Jimin also May is coming forward a lot. So it could be that. I think May is going to be a very significant month for them. But yeah, he's going to be he's going to treat himself with a lot more love, a lot more care, and he's going to change his life so that he can adhere to his mental health, and take care of himself. And I think that is a really wonderful thing. Taking care of our mental health is such an important thing, especially during these times. And I urge all of my viewers to take care of yourself, okay? Just like Jimin is doing, please take care of yourself. Now I'm going to move these cards, and we are going to get the cards for his opportunities. First we have the Four of Swords, the World, the High Priestess, and then Four of Cups in reverse. Now, as I said earlier, that he's feeling really stressed lately, and he's been solely focusing on something because of that. And as I said, oh wait, sorry, this message is coming very rapidly, so I'm going to ramble again. Because he's feeling very stressed, because of work. He's having, I don't know why, but he's having some kind of negative thoughts once again, and he keeps thinking about it a lot. But even after all this, he's going to work very hard on his goal. And how do I say this? Wait, so even if he's feeling very stressed about something a lot, and even if he's having negative thoughts about it, he's not going to stop, and he's going to put everything that he has, and he's going to work towards his goal. And because he's working very hard towards his goal, he's going to reach his career goals. Whatever that he has set his eyes on, he's going to reach that goal. And because he's going to do that, he's going to receive a lot of recognition for that, worldwide recognition, that I say. I mean, he's already worldwide famous, but I think he's going to become, how do I say this, a household name, something like that. So he's going to become something like that. He's going to receive a lot of recognition, and because of that he's going to travel a lot. He's going to travel a lot. And I don't know why, but I keep seeing something related to fashion. I mean, I heard that they landed the Louis, how do I say this, I don't remember the brand name. I think I saw it back in Twitter a few days back. I'm sorry, I really don't remember the name. but I think, yeah, he's going to receive a lot more, a lot of fashion deals, something like that. I heard that he's going to receive a lot of fashion deals. And yeah, there might be a really big, big contract, something related, I'm not sure if it's related to fashion or something, but he's going to have a big contract nevertheless, and he's going to have a lot of opportunity to appear on TV. And yeah, he's going to have a lot of opportunity to appear on TV. And he's going to have a very successful venture in this kind of things. He's going to receive a lot of success. And I think he's also going to have a really beneficial opportunity, or a very beneficial information that will push his career a lot more forward. And yeah, he has a lot of creativity and inspiration. He's going to receive a lot of success when he get this kind of opportunities, and get this kind of information. He's going to have a lot of success because of that. And I think he's welcoming a teacher in his life, a teacher who will guide him in his career. I think he's going to welcome somebody like that. And yeah, he's becoming very positive, and he's becoming very positive about his career. And he's going to take steps, like he's going to be very proactive about his career from now on. I think he's going to be very proactive, and he's going to get a lot of beneficial opportunities that are going to push his career a lot more forward. And I think yeah, that is a wonderful thing. That is a really wonderful thing. And I think as I mentioned, he's going to have a guiding teacher, and I think that is something really wonderful. In life, you should always have a teacher that you look forward to, and I think he's going to get somebody like that. And that just makes me feel very happy for him, very happy for him. I'm going to move these cards, and we're going to look at his oracle decks. I think a viewer of mine mentioned that these cards look very old, very ancient. These are very ancient. They have the resemblance of very ancient cards, but their energy is very heavy. So I do not tend to use them a lot, but lately they like to fall on my head a lot. So I'm trying to save my head. So I'm using them. I'm going to get some new decks, I think, in next month. So maybe I'll do a those they do the things they do, like how do I say this? What is that? What do they call that? Anyways, I'll just skip it. You guys are here for the reading anyway, not to listen to me blabbering. Anyways, so about his oracle decks, I think yeah, so I think he's going to have a lot of action, a lot of movement into a new kind of thing. I think he's going to go on, how do I say this? I think he's going to go on an adventure, and he's going to explore a lot of new dimensions, a lot of new activities. He's going to discover a lot of new stuff, and I think this will be very exciting for him. Because these cards, they give off this very exciting energy. I mean, I really cannot express how exciting this energy is, because it's very hard to express it in words when I'm just channeling the messages directly. But he is going to go into a lot of new stuff, new dimensions, new ventures. I keep hearing new, so he's going to have a lot of new stuff that he's going to go into, and he's going to have a lot of people who will support him. He's going to have a lot of people who will support him, who will share his vision, who will cooperate with him. And how do I say this? I think he's going to find his soul family or something like that. Yeah, he's going to have a lot of people that he can share his vision with, share his thoughts with. He's going to have a lot of people like that. And he is going to be very bold and very courageous about himself. And because he will be bold, because he will be very courageous, he is going to bring in a lot of good news for himself, and maybe he might get some kind of higher positions, that will give him a lot of strength and lot of reliance. And yeah, he's going to get into a higher position, I think, and he's going to be very bold, and he's going to be very courageous. And I think he's going to have a lot of harmony and closeness with his members and with the people that are around him. He's going to have a very harmonious personal as well as professional life, and his friendships are going to become much more closer and much more fulfilling. He's going to feel very loved and very secured with his personal and professional life. And I think he's going to receive a lot of abundance and lot of wealth. He's going to feel very proud of himself and proud of what he and his members have achieved so far. I think he's going to feel like that. But basically he's going to receive a lot of abundance. That message really came through. He's going to have a lot of abundance, and he is going to be very, very proud and very confident about himself and his members and his group. He's going to be very confident and very he's going to have a very fulfilled thought about his personal life as well as work life. Now I'm going to move these cards, and we're going to get the cards for his from Osho Jen. First we have going with the flow, then we have morality, then we have we are the world. It's really a wonderful card. Let me give you a close up because my trashy camera cannot show it, but this card is a very, very beautiful card. And then we have healing. Now this messages, these are very, very, how do I say this, these messages that I get from these cards is it's very gentle, it's very warm, and it's making me feel very good when I'm reading these cards. So he's I think he has come to a point in his life where he's just trusting where life will take him, rather than how do I say, you guys remember when I said that I saw him as a lake? So I think how lakes are very still. They just go with how the wind is flowing. They do not they are neither going very down, they are neither going down aggressively or not they are moving forward aggressively. They are just as it is. So I think he has reached a point in his life where he is just going with the flow, where he has let life take him where it needs to be. It's like water when it flows down a fall, something like that. He's just going to let go of going up against the stream. Sorry guys. He's going to let go of that, and he's going to be very he's going to be passive, yet he's going to be very aware, and he's going to let life take where it needs him to be. He's letting go, and he's he believes that everything is happening as exactly he's letting go, and he's believing that everything is supposed to happen as it should be, and he's not going to do anything. But that doesn't mean that he's being very passive and he's letting go completely. He's aware of where his life taking him, but he has just let life decide on where it wants to take him, rather than doing stuff and doing this and that like that. He has just he has trusted himself to life. That's what I want to say. And and because of that he's breaking through his conditioning, because he has learned to trust life, rather than trying to go up against life. He has learned to trust life, and I think because of that he's breaking through his conditioning and seeing the truth that lies in our heart, seeing the truth that lies in our heart, seeing what the life is really. He's receiving a lot of clarity, and I think it's happening because, as I said, he's going through a lot of shadow work, and because of that he's seeing life as it is, and he's how do I say this, he's diving deeper within himself and reaching the to the parts that he has never known before. And because of that, because he's doing a lot of shadow work, because he's diving deeper into himself, because he's learning about himself a lot more, he's breaking his conditioning, he's breaking what makes him feel scared, and he's getting rid of what makes him anxious. He's getting rid of that, and that's why he's seeing life as it is, and and because of that, he's understanding our common origins. He's realizing that we are all connected, connected to this very fantastic origin of life. He's realizing where we originate from, where our emotions originate from. And he's going to I think I mentioned this a lot, I'm mentioning this a lot more, but he's going through a lot of shadow work, and because of that, he's learning the deeper meanings of life. He's learning the deeper meanings of life. And as I said before, he's a very deep thinker, so he tends to think a lot. And because he's thinking a lot, because he's diving really deep within himself, he's how do I say this, he's realizing the origin of life, and that is a really wonderful, that is really a deep thought to have. He's realizing that we are all humans, and we are linked together at the same origin. Our hopes, our dreams, it's all linked together into this one big part of amazing existence, amazing miracle of existence. And I think he's realizing that, and I think he's tapping into that energy. And he's not only accepting that, he's also realizing that. And because he's also realizing that, he's deciding to not hide himself anymore. He's not going to hide what makes him anxious, what makes him scared, what triggers him or what doesn't trigger him. He's not going to hide anymore anything, and he's going to be accepting his flaws. He's going to accept what makes him genuine. He's going to accept what makes him truly him, and he's going to accept others as well. He's going to accept how they come, how they are. He's going to accept that, and he's going to accept himself. And because of that, he is going to receive a lot of healing. When you do shadow work, you're not only healing yourself, but you're also healing the people who are around you. Because as you develop, you tend to make others help others develop too. So he's going to do that, and he's going to he's going to receive a lot of healing. And because he's going to receive healing with himself, he is going to heal others, and he's going to feel very happy about him. As I said, that he's going to feel better mentally. So he's going to be, and because he's going to feel, why would we feel, I'm sorry, I'm just rambling, I'll just stop. I just said, right, I'm channeling the messages, and the messages are coming very rapidly, so it's very hard for me to speak. But yeah, he's going to heal others a lot. And yeah, I'm just going to move these cards. Sorry, I was just rambling a lot. And I do not know why, but these messages, they were coming so rapidly. I was just losing my focus. So first we have faith in your dreams. Communication is the key, and look at the bigger picture. This card particularly is very beautiful. It's very pleasant. I said that he has this gentle, calm energy, and the cards are really reflecting his energy a lot. So yeah, I said, like, right, he's working towards what he wants, and he's taking very proactive actions towards it. It's not only it's practical, but it's also spiritual actions that he's taking towards his goal. And he's very, very hopeful for a positive result. He's very hopeful about a positive result. He's really working hard on something. And he's really, and his hard working is going to pay off very well. And he's very positive about positive about his result. Wait, let me move this. I don't want a fire hazard in my table right now. But yeah, as I said before, he is going to have faith in his dreams. He is going to believe what he wants, and he knows what he wants, and he believes in what he wants, and he's going to work hard for what he wants, and he is hoping for a very positive result, and he is going to get that. And he's being very patient about it, even though the situation has just started, or maybe he has just started working on it. That's why maybe he's working very hard, because he has just started working on it. But he is going to work very hard because he knows what he wants, and because he believes in what he wants, and he is being very patient about it, and he's finding a lot of courage to just push forward. He is not going to take a step back until he has achieved his goal, and he's very, very courageous about himself. And he's also going to have a lot of new communications, a lot of new people to talk to. As I said before, that because he's doing a lot of work on himself, he's going to, and because he's going to receive a lot of opportunities, he's going to have a lot of new communications, a lot of new people coming into his life. Yeah, and he's going to talk with them, he's going to speak with them, and he's going to convey what he truly feels, like convey his thoughts, convey his emotions much more clearly. But at the same time, whenever since he's working very hard on something, whenever he feels tired, or whenever he feels like giving up, he's going to take a step back and look at how far he has come along and how far he has to go. He's going to look at the bigger picture. He is going to see what he truly wants and how his dreams are going to affect everyone. So he's going to look at that, and he's going to keep working hard. But he's going to keep working hard towards it. And even though sometimes he will be taking a lot of risk when he's working hard on this thing, but he's still going to move forward, because life is all about taking risks. And some risks, they land us somewhere we do not want to be, but some risks they land us where we exactly want to get. So he's going to take a lot of risks, and he is going to keep his mind very open about it. He is going to, like, if he takes a risk for something and it doesn't end up as how he wants, he's not going to scold himself for it. He's going to learn from it, and he's going to make sure that he doesn't make the same mistake once again. But nevertheless, he's going to have a lot of fun, and he's going to learn a lot about himself through his journey. And yeah, I think he's going to become a much more mature person. He's going to mature as a human being, he's going to mature as an adult, and that is what life is all about. He's going to gain a lot of experience, and he's going to become a better version of himself. I know he's the best, but he's going to become much more better than he already is. And that is really amazing, because life is all about becoming the better version of yourself. You're always updating, you're always becoming better, and he's basically focusing on that, so that he can become a very extremely better person. Yeah, with that, my reading ends here. I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry I was rambling a lot today, I do not know why. And yeah, I actually wanted to upload this video on Monday, but I wasn't feeling very well, and I had some connectivity issues on Tuesday night. But I'm going to upload this today, as you all can know. But anyways, if you guys like my reading, please make sure to like and comment what your thoughts are about these videos. And if you guys want me to do any other member or any other group, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you really like K-pop related stuff, K-pop related tarot readings and tarot readings in general, or any just other stuff, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video. And yeah, before we leave, please make sure to maintain the protocols. If you're feeling anxious, take the time of social media and meditate, and try to calm down. It's all going to be okay. We are all going to get through this. Do not worry, do not fear. You're going to be okay. If you feel just maintain the protocols and stay safe, everyone. I really hope all of you guys stay safe, and your loved ones stay safe. Stay healthy, stay safe, and be blessed. Okay, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.